Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase Authentication providers, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Firebase website and log into your account. Create a new project or select an existing project from your dashboard. Once inside your project, navigate to the Build section on the left-hand menu. Click on Authentication in the drop-down options. Select the Get Started button if it's your first time accessing this section. In the Authentication section, switch to the Sign In Method tab. You will see a list of various authentication providers available. Choose the provider you want to enable, such as Google, Facebook, or email/password. Click the toggle to enable the selected provider. For Google Authentication, you will need to enter the project's support email. For Facebook, you will need the app ID and app secret from your Facebook developer console. After filling in the necessary details, click Save to apply the changes. Next, navigate to the project settings by clicking the gear icon next to Project Overview. In the General tab, scroll down to find your web app's Firebase configuration. Copy the Firebase configuration object, as you'll need it for your app. Now, open your development environment and create the main JavaScript file. Import Firebase into your project by including the Firebase SDK. Initialize Firebase using the configuration object you copied earlier. Now, to authenticate users, set up a function for each provider you plan to use. For instance, for Google Authentication, create a function that utilizes firebase.auth.sign. Handle the result in a promise that accesses the user's information upon successful authentication. Make sure to include error handling to manage any authentication failures. If you're using other providers like Facebook or email/password, follow a similar approach by using their respective Firebase authentication methods. Once you've implemented the authentication methods in your app, test each provider to ensure they work correctly. If everything operates smoothly, you can now integrate this authentication system into your application's user interface. Make sure to inform users about the authentication process, guiding them on which method to choose. After finishing, deploy your application and observe how users interact with the authentication options you have provided. Consider adding additional features, such as password reset options or user account management for an enhanced experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.